Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to block someone in your Instagram account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. At the bottom you can see different options. Go to the option search. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Type there the name of a person you want to block. As the name of person appears, go to his or her profile. Now at the top right corner you will be seeing that three dots. Tap on that. Now you can see different options. Tap on the option block. Tap on the option block again on that blue icon. In this way, you can easily block anyone in your Instagram account. But if you have changed your mind and if you want to unblock them, you can easily tap on unblock, tap on unblock, tap on dismiss. In this way, you can easily block or unblock someone in your Instagram account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.